Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
In lieu of our Recipe of the Week video, we have a special announcement for you.
All right, let's get to it. All right, so you guys have heard us talking about the Derek's Journeys YouTube channel, and every other month he does a Steps Challenge, which we participated in a lot of times, November, March.
January too.
No, we didn't do January because I was doing the marathon that month. And,
oh, right. We skipped the January. Yeah. So, yeah, October, November, whatever it was, then March and June.
Right. And so we're going to be doing that again this year. In August. He's going to be doing it again in August, and we're going to do it again with them in August. But this time,
it's a little different.
It's going to be a little different because we are going to be the captains of the Beast Mode team. That's right. We're going to be captains of the Beast Mode team this month.
We're not doing it for a whole year.
Just this month in August. And so signups are coming up on.
You can sign up now through July 29th.
Right.
I think they're doing the drawing on July 30th on his channel in a live stream.
So you want to email Derek's Journey. We're going to put the email right here. So you can go ahead and do that. We want to encourage you to do that. We can't guarantee you'll be a part of our team because it all comes from a drawing. He spins a little wheel and he divides everybody up in teams. But if you are on our team, then that would be a good thing. And I know what some of you are thinking. You're thinking, well, I don't walk that much and I don't take a lot of steps, but it doesn't matter because every step counts. And so for June,
go ahead.
For June, the goal was to accumulate 25 million steps between all the teams, and we went way past that, didn't we?
Yeah. I think it was 24 million, and I think we got 26 million.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
Okay, so 24 million, we got 26 million. We beat our goal, whatever it was.
Well, yeah, whatever it was.
Whatever it was for the step challenge, we surpassed the goal. So
yes, as a collective group of people.
That's right. So if you think you don't take enough steps, don't worry about that, because like we said earlier, every step counts. Every step counts, and this is just a goal between you and yourself. You're only competing against yourself, and so whatever steps you think you want to take, then you can set a goal to reach that.
You're a runner. What do you normally say about running? He's only trying to compete against himself. So that's what he says, okay? So apparently we had a blank moment where he was just looking at me like, what do I say?
Put me on the spot.
But I will also use myself as an example. When we did our first one back in October or November, when that was last year, I wasn't sure how many steps I was going to be taking. I didn't look to see how many other people were taking. I was like, I'll try to get 10,000 steps a day. That was what my goal was. So then in January, when we set our yearly goal, I said every month I wanted to improve upon the amount of steps that I took in Derek's Journeys Steps Challenge that November or whenever it was. So that month I added 5,000 steps to the amount that I had taken in his challenge. And then the next month added 5,000 more. And the next month I had added 5,000 more because I was competing against myself, trying to improve my score. So I never look at how many steps other people are going to take. I just try to improve upon what I've done in the past.
That's right.
And so if you're starting out from square one, I've been there and we can do this.
Yeah. Set a goal for yourself and go ahead and sign up with Derek's Journey. And then the drawing will be on Saturday to
July 30th.
Yeah,
yes.
July 30th to separate the teams. So drop us a comment below and let us know if you'd like to be a part of the challenge, and then go ahead and send that email over to Derek and so you can get on one of the teams. We really want to encourage you to do that, because it really just encourages people just to get out and be active. And so that's what we want to do as well. I know Christy's setting a goal for herself. I'm setting a goal for myself to do 500,000 steps this month, which I've never done in any of these challenges. So
mine will be 360,000.
with that said, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. It helps out the channel and helps YouTube send our stuff out there. Give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell for updates when we upload new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, sometimes on the weekends, sometimes in between. You just kind of never know. And we're going to drop one in there. But with that said, that's going to do it today for the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget, it's the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.
And go sign up for Derek's Journey. Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
I can't.
We have a special announcement. But we will have a team, and we want to be, I don't know what I want to say now.